Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder is a texture-reducing, coverage-boosting, blurring balm to powder that balances oils throughout the day while maintaining hydration. Use it alone, under, and/or over foundation for an instant texture tune-up. It blurs large pores, fine lines, and bumps, leaving skin refined, smooth, and oh so yummy. Our first ever balm powder hybrid formula is flashback free, but you have to feel it to believe it. Its finger-friendly formula has a unique petal-like texture with a natural matte finish. Simply tap and blend to blur and smooth. Yummy Skin Balm Powder comes in 11 flexible shades. 10 tinted shades, great for sheer even coverage and balancing oils. Use alone as a foundation or use as a color balancing primer to add coverage to your foundation. Plus, one colorless universal shade, perfect for priming or setting your foundation when you don't want to add coverage. Whether you go for tinted or colorless, you'll get an instant texture tune-up. Plus, it's vegan and clean, so it's good for your skin. Dispense with the included spatula or swirl with your fingertips directly into the product. It blurs, smooths, and refines, leaving skin texture-free and oh so yummy. Get yours today at DanesaMarixBeauty.com.